Hello, and welcome to DISCUS Desktop, your first article inspection report software solution. The focus of DISCUS centers on a technical data package, or TDP. You can think of a TDP as the collection of requirement information and documents which describe the part or assembly you are performing a first article inspection on. Let's add a drawing. With the drawing loaded, I can add a zone grid overlay to automatically calculate the coordinates of the characteristics as is required by Form 3. The drag and drop method is an easy way to drop a balloon and create a characteristic, which is identified by a requirement image. The requirement image is a snapshot of the drawing exported in your first article inspection report or analyzed by the DISCUS OCR engine. The bill of characteristic or is a list of the characteristic requirements that you have identified. Ultimately, this information will be exported into our first article inspection report. All details of a characteristic can be edited directly in the Bill of Characteristics or in the Characteristic Properties dialog. DISCUS comes with pre-configured AS9102 Revision A and B First Article Inspection Report templates, but is also capable of exporting to customized forms. When you are finished with your TDP, navigate to File, Export, Drawings to PDF to produce your balloon drawing and File, Export, Report using Template to Excel to export your first article inspection report. If you purchase DISCUS results, your result values will appear in your reported form as well.